welcome back to our channel and another video. So it's a nice sunny day outside and we decided to take the advantage of this day by installing some outdoor lights. So before the festive season, before Halloween, we thought that before it gets cold also, we should be installing some outdoor lights. So the outdoor lights which we have bought are these Govee permanent outdoor lights. So this is the 50 feet version. It also comes in 100 feet, and the best part is that these are already smart lights. You just need to install the app, sync it, and then it has a lot of color modes. It also works with Google Home and Alexa. So we got this on Prime Day sale. We have read a lot of good reviews about it, so let's install this now. Let's start with unboxing. So it comes with a user manual, then a quick start guide. These are all the adapters, I believe, and let's keep this aside. Yeah, so this is how the lights come in. Basically we just need to attach, so it's not necessary that you have to install the entire 50 feet length. You can also install a part of it. You just rotate this and the clip comes off, so you can attach 1, 2 or all the 3 sections of the light. So these are the lights, and then it comes with these strips which are already installed on these lights, but if you need extra, they provide some extra magnetic pads, adhesive pads, and also these are some kind of clips which if you want to install it on a hard surface, then these can be nailed in. And then this is the adapter. It's 100% waterproof, snowproof, like it's mentioned here, waterproof, sunproof, windproof, snowproof. So throughout the year you can use it and don't worry about getting it like removing it during the year. So once installed, you can leave it for the entire year. We brought the lights outside now, and the very first thing we'll be doing is starting with our power adapter, power source. So this is the power adapter. It gets connected to this one more adapter which also acts as an on-off switch. So we have to make sure that since it snows here in Ontario, Canada, and also on our porch, so we'll make sure that it's elevated, and we will tie it along the railings here with a tie tack, so that they don't get submerged in the snow during the winter time. So something like this, and then we will continue. So I've attached the power adapter with zip ties. Now we'll be running the wire from the switch behind the floor mat and into our lights. So just attaching this wire with a piece of leftover type of twistable wire which I had from the previous projects. So I've attached one more piece of that twistable wire here. Okay, now we are installing these lights. This come with a 3M adhesive, very easy to use. Just peel off the adhesive, and this is the pad, and wherever you would like to install, just make sure that with a cloth you just clean that area first. So I would like it somewhere here. Just press it for 5 seconds and it gets stuck to it. Set of the wire is almost over. So to continue the set. We just need to align these pins and push the connectors inside, and yeah, and then just twist this nut over it, and yeah, the second set is also connected to the first one, and now we can continue installing the light. Where the two set of connectors meet, this is a double-sided clip. Sorry, this is a clip with a double-sided tape. You can simply remove the backing, and one side has a little beveled edge, so wherever we need to stick, give more support to the clip. So basically this is the joining of the two sets of the lights, so we can provide some extra strength to it by placing this kind of clip. We are about to install our last LED light. So since we will not be continuing, there is a cap provided at the end of each LED strip, so you can just rotate it and close off the cap. We'll just pull this adhesive and just push it for 5 seconds. It's done. Yeah, I don't like this hanging at the end, so with the provided clips, I'll just hook this up. So we have installed the Govee outdoor lights. Now it's time to test them. So this is the Govee app, and we have already synced it. So this is called string lights, and on the count of 3, 2, 1, ta-da! So this is the Govee app homepage for the string lights, and it has tons and tons of color options you can choose from. So they have pre-selected modes, like this is a music mode. Like you can see, the light is in sync. If there is any background music, you can sync that with it. It also has few festive scenes, like this is the Christmas gift. Halloween is coming, so this is a Halloween mode here. And if you're not happy with any of the many options they give, so they also have a DIY option. We really haven't gotten into this, but yes, you can create your own custom colors and combinations, and save it for future use. You can also go in for a single solid color, or you can also segment the colors, and then, like you can see, a part of the lights have turned yellow. Okay, let me make it blue. So this part is blue and the other one is still white. So there are a lot of options you can choose from. And I believe our porch really is looking vibrant and colorful. So many people who pass by literally stop and then they check out which lights we have installed. So really happy with these permanent outdoor lights. No need to change them ever. Do let us know how you like this video, and if you I'll link these lights in the description below. And for more such DIY videos, do follow us on YouTube and on Instagram. So meet you next time. Take care. Bye.